Welcome back, everybody, to Funkydista TV News Time. Now, let us take a look on this one. Arrest Sunday Igboho and Nnamdi Kanu. The Yoruba groups tell FG. Okay? Now, the problem when Nigeria get with that, ladies and gentlemen. For this say, now that one be the problem when Nigeria get to arrest Sunday Igboho and Nnamdi Kanu. They said Yoruba group tells FG, Yoruba people, group of Yoruba people, according to the. Now remember, say all this kind of news when would they hear and when would they see in social media? Now the same Fulani Caliphate people. Now then they write all these things. Okay, so now still the same people. Funky they ask on whether na him be the problem of unknown gunmen when they get in Nigeria. I've been at the problem when they Lagos right now. I've been at the one when they southeastern part of Nigeria. So arresting Nnamdi Kanu is very, 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 very impossible. Arresting Sunday Igboho is like you they add fuel on top fire. Likewise Nnamdi Kanu. Because the agitation don't go to the highest level when we say na non-stop agitation until the actualization of Biafra Republic and Oduduwa Republic. There is nothing anybody can do about it. Okay? This group when they nyan this thing, when they claim say na Yoruba group they nyan, are the same Caliphate people, they write all these things. And it is a wasting of time. So they write all these things, arrest Sunday Igboho, arresting Nnamdi Kanu, not be today. Remember, say, this arresting Nnamdi Kanu, don't they go how many years now when they talk the same thing? Even one, a guy don't make one video some few months back about Nnamdi Kanu. When the guy come, they call British people, they call the people where they call, and all those things up to today, not still move anybody, not still shake Nnamdi Kanu base, not still shake IPOB people and the British people. They not shake body because they know say arresting Nnamdi Kanu things worst. Nnamdi Kanu na British citizen. I don't tell on this thing before. I don't know how somebody went down declare say in not be Nigerian person, in na Biafran British or British Biafran. How you want to take arrest? I mean, you think say London when the man day when he be citizen na Nigeria when EFCC they arrest innocent people up and down, they intimidate people up and down because they not say okay you must arrest this one, they go and take that one. Not be so they work. So we they debunk this arrest matter, make una stop. If una not get work when una want do, make una go sit down for house because nothing will ever stop the coming of Biafra. Nothing can ever stop our leader when we Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Nothing will ever stop Biafra Republic and nothing can put hold on Oduduwa Republic. So all these things just a waste of time. Bandits they there they kill in Lagos. Then they kill in southeastern part of the country. Then they kill in the northern part of the country. Then they kill everywhere in Nigeria. So arresting them not, coming out to tell FG, and we not know the FG. FG when we say they're not you fight bandits. FG Gumi dey there. Gumi now Gumi dey there. FG not you arrest them. Gumi when be terrorist. Pantani dey there. FG not you arrest them. Pantani when be communication and digital minister. They not you arrest them. Na all these things are wasting of time. The people will be terrorists, all of us know them. Gumi na terrorists. The communication minister and digital economy in that country, a minister, they sponsor terrorism. Gumi enter inside the den of kidnappers, unknown gunmen in the north there. He come out, una give him 800 million. Una no arrest Gumi, una no question Gumi, una no ask happen. Even today now, Gumi they tell Nigerian people say, in they let them know when those people when they kidnap, when they go release them. Now Gumi Now they speak for them. He did they talk arrest Nnamdi Kanu. What did Nnamdi Kanu do when they want to arrest him for? What Sunday Igboho do when they want to arrest him for? In the sponsor terrorists, no. Sunday Igboho the sponsor terrorists, no. So Gumi and Pantani have to be arrested. So make una leave the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra when be Mazi Nnamdi Kanu alone. Make una leave Sunday Igboho, the leader of the Oduduwa Republic, alone. They don't tell them waiting be their own. They're not there inside on a negotiation. They don't want to negotiate anything. They want to carry on with the agitation. Whether they agitate. Only waiting them want na Biafra and Oduduwa. Full stop. So make we take a look. Make we see this Yoruba Efulefu group. Whether they claim say now them be the people when they call FG. When we don't know who be FG in Nigeria. When they call presidency, when we not vote for presidency in Nigeria, the person who claims to have voted for now President Muhammadu Buhari, and it's no more since 2017. Now in name that they use, they receive 200 million Nigerian people. That is why you see today Nigeria don't finish, Nigeria don't crumble. Abuja now trailer load full with the bandit people. Now they drop in Abuja today, more than 3,000. Unknown gunmen when they drop in Abuja today, now that one they happen. You tell them say when they go. Then the soldier men and the AK people, then they southeastern part of the country, when we say if they can, they waste their resources instead of them to go tackle the insecurity in Abuja right now, the capital city. Even they don't tell us say they won't invade Aso Rock. Unknown gunmen about to invade Aso Rock. All in the news coming from the zoo. If they talk about Nnamdi Kanu, oh yeah, come arrest Nnamdi Kanu or go arrest Sunday Igboho. So make we take a look, make them how they take tell us people when they talk and how they want take manage arrest Nnamdi Kanu and Sunday Igboho. Then we move on from there. Succession. Yoruba group seeks DSS police clamp down on Igboho and Kanu. YAF advised that Yoruba should resist the IPOB and their agents from brainwashing and infiltrating their ranks. A Yoruba organization, Yoruba Appraisal Forum. This is the first time we hear about these people. They are not recognized in Nigeria. YAF, they are not even recognized in Yoruba land. These are new people who don't go carry money from the oligarchy people. What they tell them, the Efulefu Yoruba people. If I turn a Yoruba people, they yan. YAF has faulted the agitation by a group led by Mr. Sunday Adeyemo alias Sunday Igboho that Yoruba land should secede from Nigeria, describing such move as troublesome and unpatriotic. Speaking at a protest held in Adokiti on Thursday to condemn the agitators, Adeshina Ani Nashin regretted that spate of violence in the southwest and the southeast in recent times, leading to loss of lives and properties. YAF advised that Yoruba should resist the IPOB and their agents from brainwashing and infiltrating their ranks. The federal government, police, and men of the Nigerian army and other security agencies should take urgent steps to stop the Yoruba independence agitators and freedom fighters before they set the entire country ablaze, Adeshina said. You know, all these people when they answer Adeshina, all of them are saboteurs in Nigeria there. Now one thing when Funky D notice, all the whole Adeshinas in Nigeria, they are not good people. They are not good people at all. So they are wasting their time. This kind of news, now news where we see freedom fighters from Nigeria all of us will just block our ear and do like say we cover our eye. We not see anything, we not hear anything, because this one not be things when we suppose they think about. We are thinking about how we can actualize Biafra and the Oduduwa republics, not this kind of news. So make we take a look, see another thing where they tell us about Biafra. Biafran group want Easterners to stop using Nigerian currency, tell Igbos to hang Biafran flag in homes, cars, offices. This is good, ladies and gentlemen. This is good. The zoo has finally crumbled. Remember, many times Funkiri don't call Mazi Nnamdi making declare the Biafran Republic one time before the Iflif, what they call Asari Dokubo can't go do what they go do with some Fulani people. Okay, today now, although we know say them pay those people to do all those things, so see how Nnamdi Kanu go feel, or whether Nnamdi Kanu will give up the agitation of Biafra. But like I said before, the thing not still shake Nnamdi Kanu base. Remember, say Nnamdi Kanu base be like water. Nothing they shake Nnamdi Kanu base, because we are millions upon millions of people all over the world. Okay. Now this group of people, they tell the Easterners, that is people when come from Biafran land, made them stop using Nigerian currency, and they can tell the whole Igbo people, made them they hang their Biafran flag in their homes, cars, and offices. This is good. Remember, say once this flag, then begin hang this flag, forget one Nigeria. That is the end of one Nigeria. Okay? Oduduwa people, they don't already roll out their own. Remember the reason why when we fight to end this one Nigeria, their impunity is too much, their oppression is too much, their corruption is too much, nepotism is too much, conny is too much, the fraud too much, they are looting, everything combined together. Intimidation and oppression, the order of the day in one Nigeria. All these are the reason why when we won't leave that one Nigeria. And we are marching forward, we are moving forward with our leader, Nwembi Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. So make we take a look, make we see this group where they tell us, say, now then they tell Biafran people, say, make them hang their flag in their homes, in the car, in their offices. Remember, say, when things like this begin happen, that is the end of the zoo, where they call one Nigeria. And not forget, say, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, don't tell the whole world, say, now only the truth from his mouth, he go take destroy that nation. And that is what is happening. That is what is happening. That is what is happening. APC and PDP from Kidi say bye-bye. The Fulani must go. The Fulani must go. Fulani must go. These people, they are wicked. They are mean. They are murderers. They are traitors. They are bad people. Terrorist people. Fulani must go. We don't need them. If they won't carry that one Nigeria, maybe they just carry and go. And anybody from the southeastern part of Nigeria, like Nyesom Wike in particular, and his cronies, all of una, when say una not be IPOB in Nigeria, una must to relocate to Fulani with the Fulani people. Una must to relocate to the north. Nyesom Wike, you must to relocate to the north. When the time comes, y'all did that they blab. Biafran group wants Easterners to stop using Nigerian currency, tell Igbos to hang Biafran flag in homes, cars, and offices. A Biafran group under the edges of ancestors, warriors of Biafra,